What's your name?
Martín Moreno.
Which is the name of the company where do you work?
Carmen, Chihuahua.
How many years have you worked in this company?
I have been working for 6 years in this company.
In which area do you work?
I work in manufacturing area.
Do you know the meaning of the MRP?
I think MRP means materials requirement planning.
And the meaning of the MPS?
MPEs means master production schedule.
Do you consider the master planning important?
Yes, it's important because the company needs to know all necessary resources to manufacture their products in a defined time.
Have you applied the MP?
Not totally, but as a manufacturing supervisor, you need to know the demand of production and plan your resources, such as material, machines, people, etc.
How often do you change the MP?
I don't remember that.
What is your cycle time?
I don't remember that.
Do you apply the Deming cycle?
Yes,
And how do you apply it?
activities need to be planned, do it, and they need to be checked, and finally act in order to compare if the results were achieved.
Do you think that the master planning has to be done based on the characteristics of the material?
Yes, I think MPS must be based on characteristics of the materials for the cycle times, machines, etc.
Do you know the steps to develop a master planning?
I don't know the step.
Could you describe with your own words how the industry works here in Chihuahua? And if does it use these tools to improve it?
Here in Chihuahua, facilities buy raw material in the United States, and here in Mexico, raw materials is transformed in a product.
Is the raw material imported from other country in your line production?
Yes,
Where?
USA.
How often the company buy raw material?
Frequently suppliers are located in USA.
Which is more important, raw material or time?
Resigns to boil plastic parts.
What happens when the company has a problem to deliver the product?
Company look for overtime sends the products by air.
How often the company applies meeting to talk about the process and future plans?
Every 3 months, the company do meetings to talk about the process, metrics, and future plans.
Which is the most important when the company wants to buy raw material, quality or costs?
Principal cost that decisions are based in cost reduction with quality is important too.